show you how to measure for your waist size for waist beads. I'm going to show you two different methods. One is using a fabric sewing tape measure, and the other method is using a piece of string. So let's get started with the sewing tape measure. So you might be wondering, like, how do I find my waistline? Where's my natural waistline? Well, your waistline is typically a little bit above your hips, but a very quick way to find it without even trying to measure from there is just bend to the side, and where you have that natural indentation, that is where your waistline is. So you want to find that, and then we're going to take the tape measure and we're going to wrap it where the indent is, and you are going to decide where you want the placement of your waist bead. It can be above your belly button, at your belly button, below your belly button, wherever is most comfortable for you. So we got that in the indent, and I have like one here. So if I wanted it here, I would measure here, and where the end of the tape is, that is where your waist bead would measure at. And you want to make sure that you have at least 2 fingers between the tape measure and yourself, because that is going to help you deal with normal weight fluctuations that occur. Because if it gets too tight, you know, it would be very uncomfortable, or maybe even your waist beads could possibly break. So just give you a little room. And like I said, wherever you see the end of that tape measure or whatever, that is where your waist bead measurement is going to be. So I can do like 38.5 or 39, whichever is most comfortable. So that's the tape measure method. Using a piece of string. Okay, so what we're going to do, the same thing, find where the indentation is, take that string, wrap it where the indent is, and we're going to find where the end of the string is. And so let's see here. I got the end of the string here. Same rules apply. You want to have at least 2 fingers that can fit in between the string and yourself. Where the end of that is, you're going to just mark it. Let's see. I'm just gonna make like a little mark. Let's see. I'm in my bathroom, so I ain't really got too many markers things in here. I use this. But yeah, where that is, we're gonna just make a little mark. If you can see that little bitty mark right there. All right. So you'll do that, and then if you have just a normal tape measure or ruler or whatever, you're going to start there, and then we're going to just find where that mark is, either by using your tape measure or a ruler. Let's see. I can't even find it right now. But yeah, you're just going to find where that mark is, and then that'll be your measure. Oh, there it is. Sorry. Let's see. Yeah, I found it. It's about the same as the other one, but yeah, where that mark is or whatever. Let's say it was there or whatever, because I keep losing it. But right there, that would be your measurement or whatever. But that's how you find your waist bead measurement. So if you want a waist bead that is that exact measurement, you can give that measurement to your waist beater person. Or if you yourself end up getting like one that is a little bigger or whatever, you can either use the tape measure and find what your exact size is, or just remove some beads. But that's how you find your waist bead measure, using two different methods, using either a sewing tape measure tool or using just regular string. Hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.